Hey, it's Leslie, aka Sam Bubbles. I got a package in the mail, and so today we're going to do an unboxing. And this is a fragrance that I've wanted in my collection for over a year. When I first smelled this fragrance, it was love at first sniff. And so here we are, a little over a year later. Let's see if my feelings have changed towards this fragrance. Hopefully not, because I already put it in like my top 5. Here we go with one of these boxes again. I just hate these. They're so hard to open sometimes. I am failing miserably at this unboxing. It's this one little tab right here that's giving me problems. Okay, got it. All right. Okay, there we go. There we go. And inside, we have some little things here. Okay, little popcorns. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! I'm so excited! Woo! Woohoo! Here is a little thank you card from Beauty Habit. Very pretty. So let's get to the main events. Okay. The box is pretty sturdy. So you can see Akkad. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, comes off like this. It's a pretty nice box. So let's lift that up. Ready? Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that bottle. Holy smokes. This is amazing. I'm trying to get it out of here. Wow. Look at this bottle, folks. Check this out. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Wow. All right. The moment of truth has arrived. Let's see. Please. Please let it be good as I remember. Please, please. Fragrance gods, if you are smiling down upon me now, hear my plea. All right, you ready? Let's do it. Ooh, nice distribution. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is great. Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. Oh, this is so good. Oh my gosh. You know, there comes a time in life when there's something that you're so attracted to. It's just like, it's a part of you. It's like whoever created this Akkad, the House of Lubin, it's like they're a part of me. They've read my mind. This is everything I would want in a fragrance. I mean, this is just gorgeous. Wow. The nose behind this fragrance is Delphine Theory. And Delphine, girl, I hope it's a girl. Delphine, that's a woman's name, right? Well, Delphine, you and I are kindred spirits, because whatever inspired you to create this fragrance is the same thing that is a driving force within me, I believe. It's like this fragrance was made for me. It's like she read my mind. Wow. The top notes are mandarin orange, bergamot, and clary sage. The middle notes are cardamom, elemi, olibanum, and styrax. The base notes are amber, labdanum, vanilla, and patchouli. This is one of the most beautiful amber fragrances I've ever smelled. This is right up there with some of the best ambers in the world, in my opinion, from what I have experienced so far. And this is well worth it. If you like amber fragrances and you love resinous fragrances, because this is a little bit sweet, but it's very resinous and it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's multifaceted and there's some greenness floating through it with the LME. This was well worth the wait. I don't care if it's summertime over here. I'm gonna be rocking this probably all week long. So this was a success. I am so glad that I took the chance to get it. And I'm glad that my first impressions remain true after all this time. So if you have never smelled this fragrance, I highly, highly, highly suggest that you get a sample or a decant of it. Give it a try. I know a lot of people talk about LUBIN and the different fragrances in this house, but I don't know why this one isn't talked about more, because this is just so beautiful. But this is my first impressions for Akkad, and I love it. I love it. You guys, if you haven't tried it, please go get a sample of it, all right? Thank you, bye.